eating some goodies at this industry, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sample their fruit cake. Now, this fruit cake, there are fruits soaked in rum, and do you know how long the fruits have been soaked in rum? These fruits were soaked in rum for the past 11 months, and I'm really going to like nibble into this cake. I'm not going to eat the entire thing. Now, this is a quarter-kilo cake joined together, and I'm going to slice it a bit to have a small piece to know what exactly the fruit cake tastes like. It's yummy. You get the flavor of rum, and for those of y'all who don't like drinking but want to indulge in something really sinful, then I think the fruitcake is a must for you to try. Now it has loads of dry fruits in it, and it's really soft and it's really fresh. So this is something that I'm going to eat this Christmas season, and I hope you like it too.
What better way to make merry than with traditional Christmas delicacies prepared at home? And this is one home which has family members and neighbors preparing traditional Goan Xmas sweets in the best taste for their own family and for families like mine, where it's an easier process to buy sweets than to make them.
I'm at the house of late Cyril Fernandez, and this is one house in a village where the family members of this house prepare Christmas sweets and put it on sale. Now they start preparing sweets right from the 20th of December, and it's not just 1 and 2 years that they've been doing these kind of sweets. They have been doing and serving people for Christmas since 1987. So what do we have? And today, unfortunately, when we've come, they've already run out of sweets because everything almost has been sold, and they've all started the process all over again. So let's have a look at what sweets they have on offer now. These are the angel wing biscuits that they have here. Okay, this is the very famous Perad, also known as guava cheese, which is made from guavas. Then we also have here the bolinias. Now these are somewhat like the bath, but these are in smaller pieces. And there is of course the very traditional fruit cake, which is just apt for Christmas season. Now as we move to this side of the room, where the room is kind of empty with sweets, we have the jujubes, which are really nice and come in different colors and have the sugar coat on it. Then we also have the marzipan here. Marzipan is a sweet made of cashew nuts and sugar with rose essence and almond. Then we have chocolates here, and chocolates done and packed in cute packets with confetti and various colored packing paper. Then also the next traditional dish, and something that is really tedious to prepare. Now why I say tedious? Because there's lots of coconut scraping, lots of coconut juice removing, and then you have to keep stirring and stirring so that you get the right consistency for this particular sweet. It's the dodol. So you can see here that it's like really kind of, I can't even lift it. I'm sure this is maybe even more than, which is fried, roasted with a lot of dry fruits, etc. And you also have the pitacho Oreos, which is done with grams, which are powdered and mixed with sugar. Then we also have something pinags. Now normally pinags come in cylindrical shape, but here we have pinags in the round oblong shapes, and we also have the gram dose here. So now what we've just seen is we've seen in our
We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish.
And I'm still in the kitchen here, and there are different aromas of Vivek dodol filling my nose.
These days, but pinag, another very healthy sweet because it involves no frying, no baking, it's just plain roasted, so much healthy. And what other sweets do we have? The Christmas cake is also something that can be eaten. And yes,
And what if someone's like me who like really can't resist the bibic because of the wonderful taste and the eggs in it, and once I eat it, what are the things that I should keep in mind to like get my weight down in check or to neutralize the effect of eating the bibic?
Yes, bibink is one of the tastiest of the Goan sweets. A small piece of bibink actually really will not do any harm to anybody. When we say a small piece, about a 2-inch piece, 2-inch square piece is fine to eat. Say 2 pieces per day, that would be fine. Now, if you're excessively concerned about the bibink that you've eaten, one thing that you have to keep in mind is instead of eating it every day, the 12 days of Christmas, probably eat it every alternate day. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. And cut down on something else. Like if you're used to having alcohol, cut down on, say, instead of 2 glasses of alcohol, just 1 glass of alcohol to go along with your bibink.
And being a dietitian, what is your favorite sweet this Christmas season?
Well, I'm very much into chocolates. Yes, I know the viewers may say, my God, dietitian and chocolates. But chocolates is my favorite. So anything made of chocolates, like your chocolate truffles is something I like. Chocolate fudge is something I like. And of course, pudding.
Thank you so much for joining us on Prudent. Have a wonderful Christmas.
To you also and everybody at Prudent, a very Merry Christmas.
We've just heard from our dietitian what all the sweets we can eat and what we cannot eat this Christmas season. However, it's Christmas time and it's always time to party. So we've just shown you all the different kinds of sweets that are on offer, right from the modern sweets to the traditional ones. And it's time now for me to take your leave because I have to go and do my Christmas shopping and purchase my sweets and get ready for Christmas. So that's the time we say Merry Christmas once again and hope you have a wonderful New Year. This is Danushka signing off for Prudent Media.